So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. And then once you're on this, if you have any extensions that you don't use, you want to either disable it, or you want to remove them. For the second step, we're going to click on the three dots in the top right again, and then click on settings. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, we're going to click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Google Chrome is fully up to date. For the next step, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And then once we're here, you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to make the time range all time, and you want to select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both cookies and cache, and then click on delete data. For the next step, we're going to search for right here, acceleration. And you should now be seeing use graphics acceleration when available. You want to turn this off, and then click on relaunch. Now these 4 steps alone should have fixed your Chrome high disk usage. However, there's one more thing that we can try. So on the left hand side, you want to click on reset settings, and now you want to click on restore settings to original defaults. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on reset settings, and this should now fix your problem.